back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I wanted to do a little bit of something different. I am always doing basic jobs that are for everyone. I try to do things that appeal to the masses, so like data entry, customer service, basic healthcare billing, but I like to mix it up and include a little bit of something for everyone. So if you have a little bit of tech savvy, technical mind, this might be just for you. Instagram, we all know, love it, and use it, or some of us do. I don't know about everyone, but it's a well-known social media app. I have two different positions to share with you from Instagram. They are both high-paying, up to $205,000 a year, with absolutely no college degree needed. We're going to dive all in. The links to all the pages I share are linked in the YouTube description box below this video, and I do ask that if you enjoy any of my job leads, give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. But first up, Instagram is hiring a brand motion designer. Now, I do want to quickly point out, it will say Los Angeles, California right here under the location, and that is because that is where they're based, but it says +3 more. If you click those, other locations come up, and it does say remote US, so it looks like they're hiring throughout the United States. But they say the Instagram brand design team is the heart and hand of how they express Instagram internally and externally. They create and scale brand systems through product experiences, creative tools, and environmental and artifact design. But they are looking for somebody to join their brand design team to help drive the application and development of Instagram's brand systems through motion design, animation, and prototyping. So if you're familiar with like graphic design tools like Photoshop, InDesign, all of those types of things, they're looking for somebody to concept, phototype, and execute brand and marketing experiences in product, develop visual identity, platform systems, typography, illustrations, and icon graphs. Collaborate daily with your peers in every discipline, including engineering, content, research, and marketing, and articulate strategic thinking and design decisions. So you're going to be helping make content and brand designs for Instagram. Like somebody come up with this red, purple, orange, yellow, faded color design. So maybe you can come up with the next great thing that Instagram is known for. Now, as far as what they're looking for, again, somebody who has experience with using those graphic design tools, including Figma or Cinema 4D, Adobe Creative Suite like Photoshop, After Effects, Illustrator, InDesign, someone who has 5 years experience with product branding or communications, someone who can demonstrate experience engaging with launched products, and knowledge of different phone systems like iOS, Android, and www, regular website design. No college degree is needed. Best thing about this is it proves that as long as you have the skills, you don't need a college degree to make a very high salary. Pay for this position is anywhere from $146,000 a year all the way up to $205,000 a year. On top of that, they give bonuses, equity, and a benefit package. Now, if you're not doing those motion graphic designs in the InDesign, they are looking for a regular brand designer outside of the motion scale. A regular brand designer will do a lot of the same things. You'll concept, prototype, and execute brand and marketing experiences, develop different visual identity for platform systems and typography and illustration, and of course, do all the strategic thinking and work within your teams. However, you're not specifically making the motion graphics and the motion. So they do have a few different requirements for this one. 10 years of experience with product branding or communication, a portfolio that demonstrates that, someone who can be engaging with projects. They do still want somebody who knows all of those graphic design programs and phone systems. And this pays the exact same thing as the other one. So you can really kind of think of it as two different open positions. They're hiring two different people. All right, if you enjoyed something a little bit different like this, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. But if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Don't forget, you can always leave down below in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.